viewers, kumusta na kayo? Hey, I wanna greet all my friends in this YouTube channel. You wanna know my name? My name is Jordan. Code Sifat. I need to know all of you. Where is your venue? That I can see to them. Now you know what I mean? Say what, baby? Oh. Where is my venue now? No? No, I have nothing to do what I can now. Pero nandito lang ako sa Pilipinas. Wala lang wala I have no work now. See you later. Evening. No. I have nothing to else, all of you. Because, oh, there is a person. Oh, you see? Like them. I just never mind what I can. And you know, Oh, what you wanna else to me? I'm here in the YouTube channel. I have create this video like whatever I can. Even what I say wrong, I don't wanna else other to the else person I know. Pero whenever, tatanggapin ko na lang kung anong sasabihin nila sa akin. Oops. You didn't see what you see? Okay. Alright, just say have a fun. I just burn up and fun to take control all as that I say. You know? I mean what I say. It's been wrong to hear. You're gonna hear me. But it's true what I say. I greet my friends. I greet my friends Jervenio in Cavite, Bicol, Pampanga, Parañaque, Mindanao, Laguna, and the other friends in the other country, and my neighborhoods in my hometown. No. I know what I say. Even the other person can distract me. I just accept that. Siyempre, kailangan mo nang tanggapin kung anong sabihin nila, di ba? Kahit ako ay nagsasabing totoo. I don't lie to other friends, relatives, and the other person who trusts in me. You know, just it better to can you do what you're gonna work. I just never mind what else and what you see them right now in this YouTube channel. Keep fun forever.